In a few days, we are received many comments regarding mobile unlocking. So, in this video, I am going to show you how can you remove your Android pin pattern password lock in just only 1 minute without using computer, without using software, in just only 2 minutes and without any data loss. So let's start this video. Hey guys, I am Abhishek Sinha and you are watching our YouTube channel. So let's start this video. First of all, you have to take some important step to unlock your smartphone. The first step is you have to remove your SIM card, memory card from your smartphone now. Otherwise, your data has been corrupted. So the other step is you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode, just like that. But if you have a Samsung smartphone, you don't require this. So skip this method for Samsung users. After that, you have to open this emergency call option here and click the dialer pad here and type a code here. This is the screen. Sorry, the start one is a star and last has a star. Sorry, has a star. This is the code and this code name is Google offline mode code, and you have to write down this code on your smartphone. Sorry. After that, you have to call this code for second times. When you start the calling, you have to ignore this code. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, dosto. 4, 5, 6, and 7. After that, you have successfully completed a step here. So remove this code from your mobile screen and click back button here. After again, you have to open your camera application on your smartphone and shoot a 7-second video. Shoot a video, not a taking picture. And at just 7 seconds, you have to stop this recording. So, and stop. After that, you have to try to open the shooted video and play this video. And we are successfully shooted a video. After that, you have to click the delete option here and click delete. If you successfully delete the shooted pictures and video, then your smartphone is ready to unlock. After that, click the back button here and click emergency call option here and open dialer pad and enter Google FRP code. Yes, my friend, in this service center, we are using the latest unlocking method, Google FRP code. And in this Google FRP code, we are using a code which provides by Google on every month. So latest and updated code for this month is here. So note it down, star 90999 and hash. This is the updated and latest Google FRP code. But if you are watching this video in current month, so this code will work 100% on your smartphone. But if you are watching this video on another month, so maybe this code will expire. So you need to update it, and you need an updated and latest Google FRP code. So for that, you have to join our channel. So that's why we will contact you in just only 5 minutes with a new and updated Google FRP code. So in this phone, we are going to call this code for 11 times to unlock your smartphone. So let's start the process. When you start the calling, again call fail pop-up message will come on your mobile screen. So click to OK to ignore it and repeat the same for 11 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and finally 11, and wait for 7 seconds. 6 and 7. After that, you have to click on the home button here, just like that. And when we click on the home button here, you can see that, my friends, your smartphone is completely unlocked and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. So if you are not able to unlock your smartphone, then click the subscribe button and join button for further action. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Stay tuned and keep watching.